Hi guys! For today's videos, we're heading outside for walking with my roommates and with the mother. Mother, say hi to my video. We're heading out guys, walking. Mother. Mother. There's another one there. She's waiting for us. We don't know where we're going. Where we're going? We're going upstairs. We're going up there. I don't know. Maybe we're going straight, left or right. Later, guys. Videos. Going to walk. Yes. Where are you, my friend? We're waiting for her. Going for walking. Thank you, guys. For today's video. Kasi guys, nagtagilid yung videos natin guys. Nagtagilid siya guys. We're going walking guys. Tumagilid yung video ko guys. Kaya hindi ko na ano guys. Welcome to my channel guys. Please comment down below guys. If you like my videos guys. Okay guys. Thank you guys. Be good guys. Bye. Aray! This is what's happening if always doing video, you know? Watch out guys if you're doing videos. You have to look at look at here. Sometimes you will fall from here. OMG guys, victims of this video guys. See, this is what will happen guys when you're always doing videos without watching your front side, always looking at back side. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below guys if you like my videos. See you alligator. Bye-bye. Guys, for today's video again, mangunguha daw sila ng talbos ng kamote at saka malunggay. Mga magnanakaw.
Masaway kasi wala kang insurance.
Nay, wala kang... Landahan kayo dyan. Pag uli, para hindi takbo tayo. Diba? Guys, tatakbo lang kami guys. Magnanakaw kami, okay maingay guys. Sa neighbors. Malunggay. Mga kami ng malunggay. Ito yung way namin going straight doon sa Zimi Market. Mga 30 minutes din guys. Pero ngayon guys, na-miss si mother dear. Comment down below guys. Masakit pa yung ano niya guys.
Away din niya si Buddy.
Guys,
Yung dati natin.
masakit pa yung likod niya guys. Partida guys, masakit ang likod guys. Pero lakad siya ng 30 minutes. Masakit ang likod guys. Back pain ha, but walking 40 minutes. Back pain.
40 minutes ba, Gabi?
40 minutes for me. 40 minutes.
40.
See?
Eto, paupahan dito.
Yan, papahan yan.
Guys, watch out guys. Joke only guys, joke guys. Oh my god. Not
Ano, maganda din yan dyan. Studio.
mas maganda ka. Mas maganda. Guys, watch out guys ha.
Ito, may nakatira dito kahit sa...
Thank you so much guys. Watch out guys. Comment down below guys. If you like my videos for today's video, walking. Babush.
Yan kami nakatira dati. Ay, pag ano yan? Pag ano yan? Oh.
Ganda dito. No, maganda.
Hindi na takot eh. Kasi kita-kita na.
Dapat kasi may night ay ito pala yun para pang ano. Para maliwanag. Dapat para lapitan. Pag malayo, madilim. Ito pala yun. Kailangan malapit.
Diba? Para makakawala yung iklog niya, no? Ano to siya dito? Farm. Itong farm din? Ay, ito yung front ng farm. Ah, yun doon. Sa likod. Hindi kami dito magdaan doon kami. Saan? Diyan, sa kabila. Maliwanag kasi. Naman si Saddam, namuulit mo na, mga 8, 9. Pero sila alas 11. Kagabi, lumating alam 12, na yun pala, nagkantangan pa sila. Ako kay, nandun yung abyanan ko. Sus, kay tinako ko daw yung bag niya.
Kaya pala matagal siya nakauwi.
Oo, kaya nakasama siya doon sa ano. Oo, sama siya. Ilang bag siya, sadan ano?
Yung dilim. Madilim dito guys. Super. Guys, for today's video, mag-house hunting tayo. Scary house guys. Scary. Promise. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadan. Walang nakatira guys. Wala talaga. Nakakatakot. House hunting. Ghost hunting pala. Patay tayo dyan. Kakamali na naman for today's video. Ghost hunting, not house hunting. Thank you guys. See you soon for the house hunting. Bye!